me and my friends literally found the secret method that you have been looking for, literally to get completely free, unlimited free cash points right now. So if you guys don't want to miss out, make sure you go ahead and watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm going to be giving you the exact steps in order to get unlimited free cash points. So let's go. So the first thing I'd recommend you guys do is that if you have not signed up for FreeCash already, make sure you guys go ahead and sign up to FreeCash with an affiliate link. Because not a lot of people know this, but if you actually go ahead and sign up with someone's affiliate link, then you will get a free $5 offer just for signing up. That basically takes no time at all. If you guys want to make a literal free $5 right now, make sure you go ahead and sign up to FreeCash with my link in the description. Now, the way that you're going to go ahead and redeem that $5 is that you're going to go through and pick any one of these offer partners right here. As you guys can see, there is a ton of these right here, and all you basically got to do is just select whichever one you want. I would also highly recommend looking at the featured offers section right here, because I've personally known a lot of people that have done very, very well. For example, this crypto one right here is very, very good. All you got to do is that you got to sign up to crypto.com using this free cash bonus. Once you go ahead and register with valid information, you will get a free $3.60. And then when you buy any crypto, as long as it's worth $1, you will get a free $24, meaning that if you guys just take 10 minutes right now to go ahead and sign up for crypto.com and deposit only $1, you will literally make $27 instantly that you can then cash out, which, to be honest, is going to be way more money than you're going to get working any minimum wage job. So I don't know why you guys aren't doing this right now, because literally anybody of any age can do this and instantly make some money. This is why real jobs are slavery. Because when you go on sites like FreeCash, you can make all kinds of way more money instantly, way easier, provided you actually go ahead and put in the work. But most people aren't willing to put in the work because they want to just sit around and laze around all day, and they like that consistent income from their job. But if you're anything like me and you're looking to get to the next level, I would highly recommend going ahead and checking some of this out. Another one right here is Bright Capital. So Bright Capital is basically just a savings account. So all you got to do is just get Bright Capital and just select whichever plan, which again shouldn't take you no more than 5 minutes, and you would make a free $2 instantly just like that. I would also recommend you guys go ahead and check out a lot of these surveys. I'm going to go ahead and do this one premium survey with you guys right here. As you guys can see, FreeCash is now offering their own survey, so all we got to do is hit get started. Which gender do you most identify with? I'm male. What is your postal code? What's your date of birth? And then boom, just like that, I got a free 25 cents for doing literally nothing. Also, I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and make sure to check out any one of the events that FreeCash has going on right now. I've personally done very, very well from these. Basically, you get gems when you do offers and when you go ahead and spin them. Like for example here, if I went ahead and hit the spin button, if I had any gems on this account, which I don't, then I can go ahead and win up to $200 and get some completely free AirPods. I've personally won many of these $25 bonuses right here, which essentially are just $25 bonuses that get credit to your account almost instantly, and I've personally done very, very well off of those. Another thing I'd recommend is if you guys actually are willing to put in the work and make FreeCash work for you, because this is what I say about every single one of these survey sites I recommend you guys go ahead and sign up for. You only get what you're willing to put in. So if you're not willing to put in the effort and actually grind it out, then you're going to get literally nothing out of it. And they reward people for doing just that. As you guys can see, this guy right here is going to win $50 because he made $300 today. Tell me one job right now that you can go start working right now, where you can get on your computer, you can open it up, where you can literally make $350 right now. Tell me one job that if you just walked in and said, hey, I want to grind for the next 8 hours, what do I got to do? And they will give you $300. There's not a single job that a normal person who has no education, no experience can do besides this. Now, I wouldn't always recommend signing up for every single one of these Cash App offers. And the reason why is because if we check some of them out here, in order to get $240, which sounds awesome, we have to complete level 90. Now, what does level 90 mean? Oh, it's a slot. So that basically means that you need to do a ton of spins, probably thousands of spins, in order to get to level 90. And I guarantee you have to invest way more money into becoming level 90, because it is an online casino, than actually you would get out of this. Also, the same thing with something like Raid Shadow Legends. As you guys can see right here, you got to reach level 50 and you get extra cash back for purchasing the new beginners pack. I'll tell you right now, that new beginners pack is like $50, and it's like, yeah, you'd make $90, but that's really, really weird. But on top of that, you have to open 6 sacred shards within 45 days. I haven't played this game, but I guarantee you that's not going to be easy. So I would not recommend doing any of these right here, or any of these offers that require you to hit a certain level within a certain amount of time. I would only do the ones like crypto.com, where it's you do this and then you do this and then you get this. That's the ones I would recommend, instead of like, oh, I need to get like $90 or whatever. Obviously, use your own judgment and use your own discretion, because like this one, for example, right here is only about 10 bucks, and all you have to do is make a $5 deposit, which means that you would make about $5 back, which, I mean, I don't know if that's a great use of time. I think the crypto.com one is way better. But hey, if you like online gambling and if you were going to do it anyway, you might as well just go ahead and hit it up. If you were going to do it anyway, you might as well just do it there. Also, make sure to check out some of the offer providers. So just select whichever offers that you have and see if there are any available offers at the time. So for me, because I have an iPhone, I guess there is no available offers for me. If I check out this one, maybe there'll be some available offers for me. Just go ahead and select whichever one you have. Depending on the day, depending on the thing, you might be able to make some money there. And it all just kind of depends on if you are at the right time at the right place. Now let's talk about cashing out. So I would always recommend not cashing out with like stake.com, because the conundrum with cashing out with stake.com is that then you have to actually hit a certain deposit limit with stake in order to cash out then from there. I think you have to put in like $100 in order to be able to cash out, and you actually have to wager that. So I would not recommend putting in stake, even though the 30% bonus sounds nice. The Revolut bonus is actually not bad. You could get a free $10 bonus just for signing up for this. And if you guys go ahead and withdraw it, you would get a free $10 bonus just for that, which is not bad at all. But the one I would always recommend is just a plain fat bank transfer. You can do bank transfers for basically free. All you got to do is just hit this button and then hit withdraw whatever the amount that you want. What I will say is that sometimes there is some fees. For example, if you want to do $200 of a bank transfer, it's going to be a fee of about 10 bucks. But the nice thing about that is that if you're international and let's say you can't get access to something like PayPal or Bitcoin or whatever, you can use a bank transfer to then go ahead and bring it into your own account. You can also withdraw gift cards, which is also not a bad call. I would recommend withdrawing out Steam gift cards and then actually selling those Steam keys on a site like G2A, which I've done that quite a bit before, and honestly, they retain most of their value as long as you buy them on a sale and as long as you buy the right game at the right time. You do take a little bit of a fee sometimes. I'd say you lose about 5%, but for some easy money maneuvering, it's not a bad price. BTC is also really good, but keep in mind they charge a very, very high amount in fees. It's going to cost you about $6 in order to withdraw any money into BTC, which is pretty expensive. Now, while FreeCash is a good site, I would actually recommend you guys diversify your survey portfolio, and the first app I would go ahead and check out is called Adpoll. I would just recommend going to the App Store or the Google Play Store and looking up Adpoll and going ahead and hitting download. Once you guys download Adpoll, make sure to go to the My Profile section and scroll down to where it says Enter Referral Code. And then go ahead and enter in this exact referral code, JCCGC, just like that, and then go ahead and hit continue, and you will get a free 50 cents just for signing up. For full transparency, I will also get a free 50 cents, but you'll go ahead and be supporting the channel so I can provide you guys with more methods just like this. And the best part is that you guys can then deposit this money directly into your PayPal, or you can get or Revolut account if you made one with FreeCash. And then also you can get gift cards. So you can get like an Amazon gift card, you could get a Walmart gift card, a really, really great way to make some instant free money. Plus the surveys that they provide are going to be usually better than the ones provided on FreeCash. They're going to give you more money compared to what FreeCash would offer. Also, if you guys don't want to look up Adpoll on the App Store and you want to go ahead and sign up with my referral bonus, I'm going to go ahead and include my Adpoll link in the description. All you guys got to do to sign up is just go ahead and click that and then click sign up, and you will have it instantly. And then all you got to do is click that link from your phone and go ahead and download it, and you will get the free 50 cents without having to enter in the referral code. The next app I would recommend you guys to go ahead and check out is going to be called Eureka. Eureka also gives a lot better offers than FreeCash does, and they're about on the same level as Adpoll. So sometimes Adpoll won't have surveys available. So what I'll do is I'll go to Eureka and fill out as many as I can. On top of that, they have many of the same cash out options that FreeCash and Adpoll does. For example, they have PayPal, and they also have a bank transfer, which is really, really nice. So any of you international guys can also go ahead and get access to it. I would recommend once you guys go ahead and sign up to make sure to go ahead and sign up with my share code, which is going to be 8UXHGY upon sign up. Once you guys sign up for that, you will get a free $1 survey just for signing up. Plus, I will also make a little bit of money, but as you guys can see right here, I have made over $370 with Eureka, so I would highly recommend actually using them because it is something I use myself. But with that all being said, guys, we have in fact hit the end of today's video. So if you did enjoy, make sure to go ahead and click on this video that you guys can